Did you know that the ongoing wars, such as Russia-Ukraine, might be stopping aliens from contacting us? As we explore the vastness of our galaxy, it's hinting at the presence of 4 other civilizations in our galaxy. Some even sending mysterious signal pulses every 22 minutes. And why Voyager 1? Our space explorer heard weird warning sounds and eventually disappeared. Join us as we try to make sense of this cosmic puzzle, where war, aliens, and strange signals collide in the vastness of space. Now the million-dollar question is, what is an alien? In the scientific sense, an alien refers to any form of life that is not from Earth, also known as extraterrestrial life. This definition encompasses many possibilities, from simple microorganisms to complex intelligent beings. The search for extraterrestrial life has expanded from mere speculation to a more systematic pursuit involving advanced technology and deep space exploration. Historically, the human fascination with aliens has been fueled by a mix of curiosity, fear, and the innate human desire to understand our place in the universe. The concept of aliens has been a part of human culture for centuries, manifesting in folklore, religious texts, and more recently, in popular science fiction. This enduring interest is not just a quest for new knowledge, but also a reflection of our collective imagination and the mysteries that the cosmos presents. So, are there any extraterrestrial beings out somewhere? Well, there are about 4 alien civilizations in our galaxy. Yes, you heard right. There's this cool theory that our Milky Way galaxy might have 4 different alien civilizations. Now, this isn't just a wild guess. It's based on some serious thinking about how many planets are out there and how life might evolve on them. So here's the deal. Scientists look at all the planets in our galaxy and think about how many could have the right conditions for life. They then make a guess about how often life could start and how it might develop. This isn't just about little green men. It's about any kind of life, even tiny microbes. Now the fun part. Among all these planets with life, some could have intelligent beings, maybe even smarter than us. The theory goes that out of these, 4 civilizations might have developed in a way that's kind of similar to us. But here's the catch. We don't have direct evidence of these aliens yet. It's all based on probabilities and what we know about life on Earth. But then what about the mysterious signals coming from space? Is this a proof of aliens' existence? Are they sending us a message? In 1988, astronomers found a strange signal sending radio waves every 22 minutes. It was coming from the Scutum constellation, which is about 18,500 light-years away. Is this some kind of civilization that is trying to send us signals of their location? Because this kind of signal continuously coming in the same pattern for the last 35 years is most likely possible when the source is unnatural. Scientists don't really know what it is. The logical explanation drawn is that it could be a very special kind of star with a strong magnetic field, or a rare type of white dwarf. It's weird because it's spinning slowly, but still manages to send out these radio waves, which is not what scientists usually expect. There was another strange sound captured by Voyager 1 around November 2012, which was getting more and more stronger over the time. It almost felt as if someone was warning Voyager 1 to stop and return, otherwise there would be consequences. But obviously, Voyager 1 didn't stop there and moved forward. And then again in 2017, it heard a strange sound. This time it was like a hump. This hump sound was continuously coming through as if someone was giving a final warning to Voyager 1. And yet again, Voyager 1 continued its journey. Finally, in May 2022, Voyager 1 stopped sending any signals to Earth. So what happened to it? Has someone captured it? Or it has been destroyed? Or it's just not being able to send us any signals due to some technical glitch? Well, experts speculate that there might be some fault in Attitude and Articulation Control Subsystem, AACS. There is an interesting fact. NASA had sent 115 images into space on this Voyager 1 as golden records. These pictures are meant to show aliens what life and culture are like on Earth. It's like a time capsule, or a message in a bottle for any intelligent life that might find them. Just think about it. Why did NASA send these images? And why are we even trying to send any message into space? Is there a clear sign of an alien civilization that we are unaware of? Well, these mysterious signals and these efforts to send messages might be hinting us towards a possibility of life somewhere out there in space. In another discovery, researchers from MIT and others discovered a unique fast radio burst, FRB, in 2019. This dubbed FRB exhibited an unusual pattern, emitting periodic bursts every fraction of a second for about 3 seconds, reminiscent of a heartbeat. This was the first time a signal itself was found to be periodic. Also, 35 repeating signals from another FRB was detected from a specific source. Each signal from this FRB had a distinct energy signature, and the timing patterns of the bursts remain unpredictable. The unique behaviors of these FRBs have been a subject of great interest. The study suggesting extreme cosmic objects like magnetars as potential sources acknowledges that no current model can fully account for all observed properties of these mysterious signals. Now some fictional fun. What if someday we establish contact with an alien civilization that decides to capture us? If we had to protect ourselves, one idea is to use all the space junk orbiting Earth. You know, old satellites, pieces of rockets, that kind of stuff. We could potentially turn this debris into a kind of shield or barrier. It's like using the trash floating around our planet to block or mess with any unfriendly alien spacecraft. Kind of clever, right? Now, if things got really intense and we needed to go offensive, our first defense will come from our planet Earth, using its atmospheric friction, basically making it super tough for alien ships to get through our atmosphere without burning up or getting damaged. Also, the USA has developed some super high-powered terminal missiles, the kind that could reach way up into space. And if things got really down and dirty, we might even resort to guerrilla warfare tactics, hit-and-run style attacks, using our knowledge of Earth to our advantage. But hey, not everything has to be about fighting. What if we could actually talk to these extraterrestrial beings? Diplomatic negotiations could be a way to go. Imagine having a sit-down with aliens to talk things out. We could discuss how to live together peacefully, exchange knowledge, maybe even become cosmic neighbors. This would need a lot of understanding from both sides, and probably some super smart translators. But it's a nice thought, right? Finding the unknown, alien DNA. Well, these survival tactics will work only when we know what we're dealing with. So first off, we've got to talk about how much or little we know about what aliens might look like or how their DNA works. Think about it. We have no clue what they might look like. Are they little green dudes or something way different? And their DNA, even if they have DNA like us, could be something we can't even imagine. The big question is, how do we get ready to meet beings that could be totally unlike anything we've ever seen? It's like trying to prepare for a party when you don't know who's coming, what they like, or even what food they eat. How interesting is that? Now let's circle back on how the ongoing wars on Earth have an impact on our contact with aliens. Nick Pope, a journalist on matters of unexplained and extraterrestrial life, believes that huge problems on Earth, like the war, could make aliens hesitate to contact us. Imagine aliens seeing our wars and thinking, this planet's too messy with primitive behavior, and decide we're not ready for a cosmic friendship yet. Aliens could be waiting for us to solve our problems and become more peaceful. It's similar to avoiding a friend who's always in trouble or too silly. Well, regardless, wars are not fun. And hopefully all the ongoing conflicts come to an end soon. So what do you think? Are we alone in the universe? Or it's just we have companions but they're hesitant to contact us, due to our immature behaviors or technological backwardness? Let us know your thoughts in the comments, and which facts you found more intriguing. Thanks for watching.